We'll guide you through how to make DaVinci Resolve run faster. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop. To optimize performance, you need to adjust some settings. Go to the top menu and click on DaVinci Resolve, then select Preferences. In the Preferences window, go to the System tab, and then click on Memory and GPU. Here, make sure that your GPU processing mode is set to Auto or CUDA if you have an NVIDIA card. This can significantly speed up rendering and playback. Next, go to the Resolve menu again and select Project Settings. Under Master Settings, you can lower the timeline resolution if you're working on a project that doesn't require high resolution, which helps reduce the strain on your system. You can also change the optimized media and render cache settings to ProRes or DNxHR, which are more efficient formats for editing. Another quick tip is to close any unnecessary programs running in the background on your computer to free up resources for DaVinci Resolve. Returning to the main interface, you can go to Playback in the top menu and make sure that render cache is set to Smart. This allows DaVinci Resolve to automatically cache media that might slow down your workflow. Additionally, under Playback, enable proxy mode and set it to half resolution to improve playback speed without sacrificing too much quality. Finally, restart DaVinci Resolve to apply all changes and see the improvements in speed and performance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.